Imagine this: 17 years after a flawless root canal, you wake up with a painful lump in your mouth. My tooth looked perfect for almost 2 decades, and then out of nowhere, everything changed. The root canal seemed like a total success, so why did it fail? Here's what happened to me, and what you absolutely need to know. In this video, I'm going to share my personal journey with a root canal that failed after 17 years. I'll explain why root canals can sometimes fail, even long after they seem successful. And most importantly, I'll give you practical tips to help protect your teeth, so you might avoid needing a root canal in the first place. Whether you've had dental work before or just want to keep your smile healthy, this story is for you. So stick around as I reveal what happened, what I learned, and what you can do to protect your teeth for years to come. Let's get started. The strange part is, my dentist said there was nothing wrong with the root canal itself. So what was causing all the pain and swelling? Let's dig into the details. Could there be something everyone missed? I had a root canal back in 2008. For years, everything seemed perfectly fine. No pain, no problems. But about 2 years ago, I started to feel a dull ache in that same tooth. At first, I managed it with painkillers and antibiotics, hoping it would just go away. Then 2 months ago, a lump began to grow between my cheek and gum. The tooth pain faded, but the pain from the lump was sharp and constant. I went to my dentist worried. She examined everything and told me the root canal still looked perfect. But something was clearly wrong, and I knew I needed answers. Sometimes a root canal can fail for reasons you might not expect. For example, a tiny hairline crack in the tooth can let bacteria sneak in even if you can't see it. Or sometimes there's a hidden or extra canal that gets missed, kind of like a secret hallway in a house that no one knows about. And in some cases, your body might just start rejecting the tooth because it's technically dead. The tricky part is some of these problems, like hidden canals or tiny cracks, can only be found with a CT scan. If you're dealing with root canal issues, there are some natural ways to support your oral health at home. Try rinsing with warm salt water or applying clove oil for relief. Garlic and turmeric paste can help with inflammation, and peppermint oil or diluted hydrogen peroxide may freshen and clean. Green tea, oil pulling, aloe vera plus vitamin C and zinc all support healing. And don't forget daily brushing, flossing, and tongue cleaning. Consistency really helps. Dental struggles can be frustrating, but I remind myself every challenge is a chance to grow. I create firm foundations for myself and for my life, even when things feel uncertain. I choose my new beliefs to support me, joyously letting go of fear and frustration. Each step I take, even through discomfort, is a step toward healing and self-trust. I'm patient with my progress and gentle with myself as I heal. I honor my body signals and trust that I am supported in my journey. With every experience, I grow stronger, wiser, and more compassionate toward myself. So yes, a root canal can fail even after many years, and even when everything looks perfect. That's why understanding the risks and supporting your oral health is so important. It could help you avoid the same outcome I experienced. In my next video, I'll share what I wish I knew before ever agreeing to a root canal. Have you ever had a root canal fail after several years? Share your experience in the comments. What did you do next? Your story could really help someone else going through the same thing. Remember to subscribe for the next video and share this with anyone who might need support or advice. Let's build a community where we help each other through dental challenges.